let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Sanibonani, my name is Debbie Somtetanga Namugela with channel Yamini for a regular daily at T Squad. Thank you so much for coming back by, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. So guys, today I will be doing my morning skincare routine. I'll be using 4 products, guys. These are the 4 products I will be using. I hope you do enjoy my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, I mean. So yeah guys, let's get right into the video.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, baby, long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Thank you so much T-Squad for watching my morning skincare routine. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you want a glowing dewy skin like mine, use my morning skincare routine, guys. You won't regret it. Use it, guys. I promise you, if you have my skincare type that's normal to oily skin, you won't regret it at all, guys. In a year, I usually have 1 or 2 people in 12 months. Just imagine. So guys, use my morning skincare routine. If you have any other questions, pop them on my comment section down below. Yeah, guys, I'm yapping. I hope you did enjoy this video, T-Squad. Love you lots again, T-Squad.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?
Then dip me underway. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until